Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, whatever you're watching this. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a copycat recipe. McNuggets, okay? Chicken McNuggets, that is. So what we're gonna need to do these chicken McNuggets, we're gonna need flour, mustard, 2 eggs, a bowl, some peppers, garlic salt, and garlic powder, and cornstarch, and about a cup of water. We're gonna keep this simple. We're not gonna go too fancy with it. We're just gonna make plain, delicious, real chicken McNuggets. Stay tuned for this video. So the first thing we're gonna do is add our chicken to the food processor. And then we're gonna add 1 egg and about the salt. So, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon and a half. Working with chicken, you wash your hands, okay? And your utensils. Now here, we're not only chopping the chicken, we're also mixing the egg mixture with it too as well. We chop that up into a paste. You say, what is a paste? That is a paste. See? So what we're going to do is going to take a half a cup of cornstarch. We're going to put in the bowl first. Let's take wet hands and form little nugget-shaped pieces of chicken. Dip it in the cornstarch, and we're going to put it on the parchment paper. It's just that simple. One by one. Next step, we're going to make our batter. This step is simple. You just dip the chicken in the batter. So we're going to place this chicken in the freezer for 1 hour to let it get rock hard. The next step we're going to do is heat the oil up to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to add the chicken to the fryer. Make sure that they're all spaced out, not on top of each other. About 30 seconds after I put the chicken in the fryer, I will turn it because there's a batter on the chicken and I don't want that batter to stick to the grates. So that's what I usually do. Stick it in there for about 30 seconds, then turn it for the first time, and then let it fry the rest of the way. And about halfway through, we're going to turn it again. After we get through frying it, though, we're going to take them out. We're going to let them drain a little bit, and then we're going to plate them up. This is what we have. Don't this look good? And it tastes good. That's all. Now, try it. Tell me if you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. And hope to see you in the next video. Enjoy.